Hi everyone. Okay, so those who saw our last video will now know we're selling our house and we're buying buying a cottage and a piece of land somewhere else in England. There's a clue, it's in England. But that's all the clues you're getting at the moment. So Samantha's been busy all week. I've been at work. Samantha's been busy all week sorting the house, getting everything in boxes and that kind of thing, just getting ready really for that date, whenever it's going to be, that we need to move out. Now we've said to the people who are buying our house that we will move on whatever day they choose. We will depart the house and we'll go off in the motorhome, and that's still the plan. But we're hoping that we can tie that in to buying the new place. So the new place, we won't be needing a mortgage, so it's a matter of a few weeks really to just get that tied in. In fact, I think that legal piece will be complete before the house sale transaction is completed. So hopefully we can drop straight from one to the other. But our plan is to live in the RV on the land of the new place that we buy. So there's a little bit of a rush at the minute to make sure that the RV is ready to roll. So one of the jobs I'm going to do today is to finish off, I think, that shower valve that you saw a couple of videos ago, I think. And I'll show you what we've bought to try and fix that right now. Okay, so that's the valve body, and then this was the broken valve, screws in there. So we sort of photographed one using Google Lens and then came up with this one, which looks to be the right one, but actually it's very slightly different in that if you look closely, it's ever so slightly shorter and the diameter of the knurled end is slightly narrower than that one. Having said that, I think we'll be okay. The length certainly won't make any difference. I'm pretty sure we'll get away with that. But the diameter, we might need to just build that knurled end up a little bit. So that's what I'm going to have a go at now. See if we can get this job finished. So the valve's in. Hang on a second, Sam, let me just explain. So for that, where the spindle was too narrow, I made a sleeve that fitted inside that control valve, and now I think we're good. So do you want to try it, Sam?
Yeah.
That should be on hot. That should be on hot now. So boiler saying E3, so I don't know if it's out of gas or what, but
Okay,
anyway,
so
it works anyway, the valves are working, so that's fine.
yeah, it turns off. That's good.
And there is no leaks.
Excellent.
Cool. So I need to put some wood across here now, just to hold that valve in, support it, because it was screwed in here, but screwed in from the back.
Reboard it.
And we got the shower in there now, so we can't do that. So it's got to do the opposite way around. Right, let's get a piece of wood in there and somehow, and job's done, ready to hop off somewhere.
Oh, after you've retiled, sweetie, I'm not
yeah.
going without it retiling. I am not going out anywhere without it retiling.
Oh my god. Okay, right. And as last time, plenty of insulation material in there. Let's try and stop it freezing again. Well, there we go, and the board's on. Hey, so just the tiling to do now. And you probably just heard Samantha just say, that's got to be done sooner than later. She's not moving house without that done. She's not moving in a motorhome without the tiles on the wall. So we'll get that done in the next couple of weeks. Let that dry, seal up, and job's a good one. So yeah, there we go. Another job for today. Lovely day out there today. Absolutely beaming the sunshine out there today. Right, I'll leave that there. Catch you later.